Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Hi, we're at Main Street Books celebrating the Polar Express party. Hey Tom, how's the weather?
Yes, well, the weather is going to be pretty decent for the rest of the week. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you make your living shoveling snow, you're probably not going to like it, but temperatures will be, for the most part, around normal, sometimes a little bit above. And I want to thank the folks there for doing that. Hey, Tom. And mine are right now 28 degrees, winds out of the west-southwest at 10, so we do have a bit of a wind chill at 19. In Williston, 15 degrees, the west wind is at 12. Here are some of the other temperatures around the area, and nearly every temperature on here would be normal or a little bit above. In Minot's case, like 7 degrees above normal. Bismarck's only 1 degree above normal, but still, these are pretty decent temperatures. The wind speed is roughly 5 to 15 miles an hour, and this is kind of normal too. It's North Dakota. It seems like it's breezy all the time. And when we look at the Cartiva of Minot wind chills, notice how there's no minus signs in front of any of these numbers here, so even the wind chills are above zero right now. Here's a look at the radar and just the radar and the snow. There was a little bit of light snow in the northeast. It has moved into Minnesota. It's also fallen apart already, really tapered off. And if you missed it earlier on KX News at 5 or the CBS Evening News, it is a real bad way. I mean, this is bad weather going down parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and it looks like while there are thunderstorms in Louisiana, there's no tornado watch any longer there, but still there have been a number, I mean, coming up on 24 tornadoes in parts of Mississippi and Alabama, and there has been some damage. I haven't heard of any fatalities, but you know, the night's not over yet, but that is a real big line of storms there. And north of that, it's snow. This is all the same storm system that is generating a lot of snow from places like St. Louis through Indiana and into Ohio. Our precision cast is 7 o'clock tonight. Looks like just a westerly breeze, 5 to 15 miles an hour, kind of what we have going on. See a little snow possibly up around the Turtle Mountains around midnight tonight into tomorrow morning, and then throughout the day tomorrow might cloud up at least early in the morning. There could be a spot here or there that gets just a small dusting of snow. This isn't going to be anything that's going to cause much of a problem, and it's not even going to be widespread, but I think there will be a spot here or there that gets at least a dusting. And then once we get into tomorrow afternoon, maybe a lot of sunshine returns to at least western North Dakota, and it's just going to be relatively decent. Here we are tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, fairly cloudy. And I wanted to show you this. This is for December 22nd through the 26th. This isn't a forecast. This is from the Climate Prediction Center. It's really more like a confidence level, and there's some confidence that we will have warmer than normal temperatures, normal being in the 20s. So even, you know, 28. Like today would be warmer than normal, but it looks like you know, some warmer temperatures at least through Christmas Day. Now the next 72 hours for Dickinson, notice how these temperatures get back into the 30s fairly quickly, and 35 and cooling off a little bit on Thursday in Williston. Temperatures tonight will be in the single digits to the teens, and then daytime highs tomorrow will be in the teens, 20s, and possibly a 30-degree reading in the southwest. To the northeast around Bottineau, Rugby, and Harvey, we could have falling daytime temperatures. In fact, by this time tomorrow night in Rugby, might even be a little bit below zero. As we check out the next 7 days, no big cold snaps, and as it turns out, the warmest day of the week will be the first day of winter.